briefly describe your professional career before doing the PMC?
My career started up the coast when I did 5-year articles on the Sunshine Coast, and then I moved to Brisbane to work in some of the bigger firms. Then I had some time off to have children and decided that to come back to work I'd rather be my own boss and work my own hours. So that's what brought me to the practice management course.
And what are your 3 key takeouts from the PMC?
My three biggest things that I probably learned were marketing, to place more emphasis on marketing, but also the way that I marketed the practice and the focuses that I needed to have. And another thing I learned was in relation to accounting, the trust accounting that I knew that I needed to know, but also managing my own financial accounts and putting some more emphasis on that. And another thing that was an important thing was the looking at what staff I employed and the mix of staff and how that was going to work for me.
Mm-hmm. And what was the best thing about the PMC?
Probably the best thing was the talking to colleagues and enjoying the social aspect of it. It was great.
And how does what you learned assist you day to day?
I learn a lot that assists me on a day-to-day basis. Largely, I learnt about the trust accounting side of things and how to make sure that I don't fall foul of the trust account rules. And I also learned about putting policies and procedures in place that are going to reduce the risk that I have of people making a claim against me, and also helping me with good service.
And have you used any of the PMC support materials or processes since finishing the course?
I have used some of the support materials that we got during the course as a bit of a library base. When I want to do something or think I know that I need to do something, then I'll pull notes out and start rummaging through those, and they do help. And I've also been to some of the follow-up courses that have been run by the Law Society for people who have done the course.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic. And maybe my last question, which isn't on there, what sort of areas of law do you work in?
I work in 3 areas, so property law, estate planning and personal injuries.
Okay.